Welcome back to Soft Computing series. This is last numerical of fuzzy composition. This example is different from max-min composition and max-product composition. Let's start. Let the following are two fuzzy sets. Two fuzzy sets are given. Fuzzy set P with 3 elements and set S with 2 elements. So this will be given. In this example, we have to find Cartesian product. So the fuzzy relation is, that is relation R equals to P Cartesian S. So we'll calculate Cartesian product. To find Cartesian product, consider set P and consider set S. So take first element of set P and compare with each element of set S. Let's begin. First element 0.1 and select first element from set S, that is 0.3. Select elements, compare and select minimum. First step, select 0.1 and 0.3, compare. Here minimum is 0.1, write 0.1. Now compare with the second element. 0.1 and 0.8, minimum is 0.1, write it over here. Now select second element from set P and compare the second element with both the elements of set S one by one. For the first element, compare 0.5 and 0.3, select minimum. Minimum is 0.3. Then 0.5 and 0.8, select minimum. Minimum of this two is 0.5, write it over here, 0.5. Next, now select third element from set P and compare with both the elements of set S. 1.0 and 0.3, minimum is 0.3, write it over here. Then 1.0 and 0.8, minimum is 0.8, write it over here. So this is the set, Cartesian product set P into S, which is R. Suppose we want to find the relation on third set, we require max-min composition. If we have to find the third set, so the third set will be given, that is P dash, that with the 3 elements. So in this question, P and set S is given, and to find relation on third set, in this situation third set, that is P dash, will be also given. So P, S and P dash, these 3 sets will be given to you. So first we calculated Cartesian product of P and S, that is relation R, this set. Now let's calculate relation on third set, that is P dash set. Then the composition on third set will be S dash equals to P dash composition R equals to, so consider for this P dash set and R set. To find relation on third set, consider the given third set and this relation, and consider our relation that we calculated using Cartesian product. So write P dash set first with the 3 elements 0.4, 0.7 and 1.0. This matrix is of size 1 into 3. Write the R relation, this set over here. So this matrix is of size 3 into 2. Now the final relation will be of size 1 into 2. So here you can see 1 is the row, 3 is column. Here 3 is row and 2 is column. So column of the first matrix and row of the second matrix should be same, that is 3, 3. So final result will be 1 into 2. Now let's calculate relation on the third set by max-min composition. So consider the first row and first column of this second matrix. Here we'll use max-min composition. So first write max, then write min. Select first element 0.4. Here select 0.1. Write it over here. Next 0.7 and 0.3. Right here. Next min 1.0 and 0.3. Write it over here. Now select minimum of this 3. Minimum here is 0.1. Minimum is 0.3. And here minimum is 0.3. Write it over here. Now in max-min, first we take min and then we take max. Now select maximum element. So max of this 3 is 0.3. Write it over here. So this is the first element of the matrix. Now for the second element, consider the same matrix row, and now in the second matrix consider the second column. Select each element and compare. First write max, then write min. 0.4 and 0.1 write it over here. 0.7 and 0.5 write here. 1.0 and 0.8 write it over here. Now select minimum. Here minimum is 0.1. Here minimum is 0.5, and in the last minimum is 0.8. Write it over here. After selecting minimum, select max. Max of this 3 is 0.8. So this is the second element of the matrix. So these are the two elements of our matrix of size 1 into 2. 0.3, write it over here, and 0.8. So this is the result matrix on the third relation. So in this numerical, given are three set: fuzzy set P, fuzzy set S, and fuzzy set P dash. So in this example, first we calculated Cartesian product of P and S, then we have to find relation on the third set, that is P dash. So we use here max min composition. So for this we need P dash set, this one, and relation R that we calculated, this matrix. So using this two we calculate the final matrix on third relation, that is on P dash, which is S dash. So this is the last example of fuzzy composition. Stay tuned for coming videos on fuzzy sets. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.